back, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Today I got a quick little video for you. Just something fun I wanted to throw out before the holidays. Some last minute gift ideas or whatnot. So, if you're like me, you have way too many freaking batteries, right? We got rigids, we got 60 volts for the outdoor stuff, we got 40 volts, we got 12 volts coming under wazoo, Ryobi, Cobalt, Master Force, Milwaukee, Makita, you name it, guys. Where do you put all your batteries?
Would you like to see?
Yeah.
Now, if you're like me, you're kind of OCD, each one's got to be kind of lined up. You know, if they're not in your pack out. In the shop, I keep them all organized, right? So, guys, if you ever checked out, it's called unpluggedmounts.com or 3D Mounts. My buddy Matt owns it, lives down in Alabama. Great family guy. He's got a couple daughters, a couple kids just like me. We've talked a little bit, and he was nice enough. He sent me a couple of his mounts to check out. He can get you mounts of any battery brand, in like rigid, DeWalt, Milwaukee, anything to mount your batteries or also your power tools as well. Like this here, like this is an example. This is an under mount for rigid. You screw it under and then you can dock your tool underneath it. If you want to hang it on the wall pointing at you like that, I'll roll a quick clip and show you all the different ones I have mounted on my wall. Like my Ryobi ones, guys, have been back here for a long time. You can check these ones out here. They stick out of the wall like that. You guys seen these in the background? This is my favorite here. This is the Ryobi. It actually sticks out and it goes into the bottom where the battery plugs in. Can you guys see that okay? Kind of blends into my background. Sits in there like that. Check drivers on one right here. 2 screws. Goes right into your backboard wherever you got. Or you can get the smaller ones, a little bit cheaper. Plugs right into lighter tools like this. Or smaller tools like your rotary tool. Goes right in there like that. Also, the mounts up here for your Ryobi batteries, these are my favorite. These two, this one and this one are my 2 favorite. Plug all your Ryobi batteries in. You can do it any way you want, guys. You can do under counter mounts like this. I'll show you inside where I have all my Cobalt batteries and my Makita batteries and everything mounted on the wall in there. All right, now here's a part of my inside workshop. I don't show very much, but you can see I have my 6 rigid mounts here on the wall. Show you how these slide on and off pretty slick. Slides right up with little grooves. Snaps in like that. Come up here. Got the Cobalts. Even hold the big batteries. This is the big 6.0 for the Cobalt. Slides in like that. It does lock in place. I don't know why this one wasn't locking, but the Cobalt's lock, snug. Even fits the big XC batteries. Little batteries. Come over here. I got some Makita. Snap in like that. Pretty simple, guys. Very handy. As you can see, I need to order a whole bunch more. I have tons of Ryobis. Lots of 60 volt stuff. Too many chargers and things to even comprehend over here. Like this is a disaster over here. Video coming soon on the Lethality 40 volt snowblower if I ever get any snow. Yeah, a little shot of my inside workshop pegboard here. Got all my rigid stuff up over here. Some of it. Got the big boy right there. Don't mind the mess. Got all my masks over there. But anyways, these mounts, pretty slick. My pegboard's kind of in the way, sticking out there, so there you go. Like I said, guys, this is just some of my stuff here. I don't like to advertise everything I got, unlike some YouTubers who put all their stuff up on their wall. To me, that just screams, come break my window and rob me. Like, what's the point of showing that you have $20,000 worth of tools in your garage? To me, that's pointless. Yeah, okay, you got 9 mil, big deal. A professional thief can come in and loot your stuff in 90 seconds. You're not going to catch them. Trust me, I've seen it happen. There you go, guys. Like I said, yeah, go check them out. 3D tool and battery mounts. Instagram link will be down below. Check them out on Facebook, guys. I'm not making any money off this, guys. Since I am actually kind of promoting this, I do have to put that stupid little banner that says paid promotion, even though I'm not being paid. He sent me a couple to show you guys. That's it. He's a good, hardworking family man. If you spend over 25 bucks and save $5 with promo code AL at checkout, save $5 on your order. If you have special requests like say 60 volt stuff like this or 80 volt, you can make it. Go show them some love, guys. Let me know what you think of these mounts. Have you used these? I know these would make a good stocking stuffer present for that dad, brother, grandpa. That's all I got for you guys. Just wanted to throw that out there. Go check out his stuff if you want some sweet tool mounts and battery mounts. Unplugmounts.com. Show them some love, guys. Have a blessed night.